Now today let's start with chapter number 8, rocks and minerals. In this chapter we will study about rocks and minerals. What are rocks made up of, kinds of rocks, and where from rocks. Now identify the picture and write their names in the space provided. What are rocks? Rocks are found everywhere on the earth. They occur in various colors and types. They differ in the method of their formation, degree of hardness, उनका texture, उनका color, उनका chemical content. उसके हिसाब से वो क्या करते हैं, differ करते हैं. By studying the smaller piece of rocks, we can find about their formation, structure, and composition. Scientists who study rocks, they are known as geologists. जो scientists rocks का study करते हैं उनको क्या बोला जाता है, geologists. What are rocks made up of? All rocks are made up of naturally occurring substance called minerals. It contains one or more minerals, and it contains a mixture of mineral in almost any proportion and may be composed of mineral. Rocks को हमने divide करा है depending upon the quality and quantity and arrangement of minerals in them. Now, kinds of rocks. We have classified rocks in according to their formation: igneous, sedimentary, and metamorphic. Now, igneous rock, most of the earth is covered with igneous rock. They are formed by cooling and hardening of molten rock. Magma or molten rocks in the core of the earth is pushed upward. When it reaches the earth's surface, it flows out through the crack and is called lava. और जब lava cool होता है और igneous rock formed and depend upon the type of mineral is the magma contains and the rate at which it cools down. और जिस rate पे क्या होता है वो ठंडा होता है. Then we have different types of igneous rock. We have granite, we have basalt. Granite it is a hard rock with coarse grain. It comes in many colors and patterns. It is the most common igneous rock that is found on Earth. It is used to make buildings. In buildings बनाने के लिए, floors बनाने के लिए, statues बनाने के काम आता है. And granite contains basically three minerals. There are quartz, mica, and feldspar. It is used to make building and flooring. Building बनाने के लिए और flooring के लिए इसका use करा जाता है. Then we have basalt, which is an igneous rock with glassy appearance. जिसका appearance होता है वो glassy होता है. It is dense and dark, and its dark color is because of presence of mineral. जो iron and magnesium है वो minerals पे क्या है, present है. Now basalt is used mainly in the construction of roads. Roads के construction में हम basalt का use करते हैं. And the oldest rock in the world are Western Australia. There are 4,003 million old. Now pumice, it is lightweight rock. It is formed by lava froth. Air is trapped inside the pumice stone. This makes it very light and it is used in building material. The building material में इसका use किया जाता है and as a teeth polishing powder by dentists and as a scrubber to remove dead skin cells from the body. और ये जो डेड स्किन सेल्स होते हैं बॉडी में उनको रिमूव कर. सेडिमेंट्री रॉक, ऑल रॉक्स ऑफ दैट सरफेस स्लोली ब्रेक डाउन इनटू स्मॉल पीसेस. इन्हें हम सेडिमेंट्स कहते हैं. दे आर और डिपॉजिट फ्रॉम वन प्लेस एंड रनिंग वाटर. नाउ दे गेट डिपॉजिट इन लेयर एट द बॉटम ऑफ द लेक्स एंड ओशन. लेयर्स ऑफ द सेडिमेंट cemented together form sedimentary rock. Pressure of upper layer and cement changes sediments into sedimentary rock. Now we have different types of sedimentary rock. Sandstone. Rock is formed when fine particles of sand are deposited close to it. The most common mineral present in sandstone is quartz. And some kind of sandstones are porous because of the porous होते हैं and they may be red, pink, brown or yellow. Famous monuments such as Red Fort, Qutub Minar, they are made up of red stone. Now we have conglomerate. It is formed when pebbles and stones get cemented together by minerals. It is uneven and in coarse in texture. ये uneven होता है तो जो texture होता है बहुत coarse होता है. Then we have shale. This rock is made up of clay that has hardened under heavy pressure to become rock. It is soft rock that smells like wet mud and इसका हम use करते हैं bricks and tiles बनाने. Right? Then we have limestone. Sedimentary rock is different from other type as it is not formed by deposit of mud. It is made up of mineral calcite. तो आपके cells of sea animal में present होते हैं. And when they die, the cells stick to the bottom of the sea. And what they form layers and it is used for making bricks and cement. ठीक है? It is also a form of limestone, एक तरीके का limestone. And then we have metamorphic rock. What is metamorphic? Change. They have gone through many changes Originally they were sedimentary or igneous rock. या तो ये sedimentary rock थी या igneous rock थी. Deep under the ground, heat and pressure can bring about change, and this change their appearance and make them tougher and hard. Now we have different types of metamorphic rock like marble. It is formed when limestone sedimentary rocks undergo changes. It can be carved and polished. इससे हम statues, building बनाते हैं जैसे ताजमहल. The Taj Mahal is made up of white mud. It is formed from sedimentary rock shale. Slate is very fine grained and splits into cells very easily. It is mainly black or green in color. It is very useful for roofing or for making pavements and blackboards. Pavements और blackboards बनाने के लिए इसका यूज करते हैं. Then we have quartzite. It is formed by metamorphication or metamorphosis. इसकी हुई है sandstone. इससे हम statues बनाते हैं. ठीक है? It is formed by metamorphosis of granite. It is coarse grained and has irregular bands of different color. They are often glittered because what they contain shiny mineral and liquid. Now waves from rocks. हमें क्या मिलती है? आपका building material, limestone, marble and granite. They are used for making buildings, and cement is made up of limestone, and slate is used for making slanting roof. Slate का हम यूज करते हैं जो घर की slanting roof होती है वो बनाते. Many minerals makes up rocks contain metals. The metals can be obtained from these rocks. Rocks containing metals that can be extracted. इनको हम ores कहते हैं. Iron, aluminium, copper, they are obtained from their respective. Now we have gemstones. Now many minerals are in the form of crystals and they are hard and can be cut and polished into beautiful stones. These हम gemstones कहते हैं like rubies, diamond, emeralds. What are these? These are the gemstones that we use making jewelry. हम इसका jewelry बनाने में काम आता है. Now we have coal. It is a type of sedimentary rock. It is formed from the remains of plants that grow in swampy forest. When they died, they got buried into swamps, layers of mud, sand and mold deposit on them. And more layer deposit, heat and pressure in the layer below gradually changes them into coal. वो किसमें change कर देती है? Coal में change करती है. Petroleum. Crude oil, also called petroleum, it is dark sticky liquid which is formed over million of years. ये dead जो remain होता है plants and animals के सीमियों से बनता है. As the sediment build up on the top, the heat and pressure change the remains into petrol. और जो heat और pressure है वो उसको किसमें change कर देता है? Petroleum. Now coal and petroleum, they are the most important fuel, and coal is used for cooking and to heat house. It is used to power house to generate electricity and in factories to run machines. Petrol and diesels are obtained from petroleum. इनका हम यूज करते हैं कार्स को, बसेस को और ट्रक्स को रन करने. ये हमें क्या देते हैं? प्लास्टिक, पेंट्स, फर्टिलाइजर, मेडिसिन, कॉस्मेटिक एंड वेरियस अदर प्रोडक्ट ड्यू टू लार्ज नंबर ऑफ व्हीकल. ठीक है? और इंडस्ट्रीज द डिमांड इन फ्यूल की वो इंक्रीज हो गई है, बट दे आर नोन एज रिजर्व्स ऑफ पेट्रोलियम एंड मे लास्ट फॉर 50 more years and those of coal for about 250 years. Burning of this fuel also causes air pollution, which is one of the biggest. क्योंकि जो बर्निंग है फ्यूल की वो क्या कॉज करता है? एयर पोल्यूशन, which is one of the biggest hazard. And minerals are naturally occurring substance जिनके सिंपल और कॉम्प्लेक्स फॉर्म होती है, उसको हम मिनरल कहते हैं. Minerals from which metals are extracted are called ores, and like iron, lead, copper, aluminium. Every day different kinds of minerals are extracted. Now what are fossils? The remains of plants and animals that have been preserved in rock. Dead organisms should root away and are eaten scavengers. For fossilization occur rapid burial by sedimentation is necessary. Okay, what are minerals? Minerals are chemically formed substances that occur in nature. ठीक है, ये एलिमेंट्स के बने होते हैं और सिंपल सब्सटेंसेस के बने होते हैं. एंड मिनरल्स कैन बी डिवाइडेड इनटू टू मेन ग्रुप. ये नेटिव एलिमेंट्स भी होता है, कंपाउंड्स भी होते हैं. ठीक है, दे आर एलिमेंट्स एंड कंपाउंड. एलिमेंट्स आर मेड अप ऑफ प्योर एलिमेंट like gold, silver and carbon. Carbon occur as a native element in two forms like diamond and graphite. Compounds are the combination of two or more elements. Like sulfides are compounds of sulfur. Now, our body requires a very small quantity of some mineral like calcium, sodium and iron, and the bulk of mineral is used for industrial purposes. ठीक है, और bulk of iron का हम use करते हैं किसके लिए? Industrial purposes. Now, our chapter has been completed. Hope you understood the chapter. That's all for today. Thank you.